My name is Awais Ashraf, and in this video, let me tell you the main reasons for the demand of AI. Now, the question here is, if AI has been here for over half a century, why has it suddenly gained so much importance? Why are we talking about artificial intelligence now? Let me tell you the main reasons for the demand of AI. The first reason is what we demand for AI: more computation power now. So, artificial intelligence requires a lot of computing power. Recently, many advances have been made and complex deep learning models are deployed. And one of the greatest technologies that made this possible are GPUs. Since we have more computational power now, it is possible for us to implement AI in our daily aspects. Second most important reason is that we have a lot of data at present. We were generating data at an immeasurable pace. We are generating data through social media, through IoT devices. Every possible way, there is a lot of data. So we need to find a method or a solution that can help us process this much data and help us derive useful insight so that we can grow business with the help of data. Alright, so that process is basically artificial intelligence. So in order to have a useful AI agent to make smart decisions like telling which item to recommend next when you shop online, or how to classify an object from an image, AI are trained on large datasets, and big data enables us to do this more efficiently. Next reason is now we have better algorithms. Right now we have very effective algorithms which are based on the idea of neural networks. Neural networks is nothing but the concept behind deep learning, since we have better algorithms which can do better computations and quicker computations with more accuracy, the demand for AI has increased. Another reason is that universities, governments, startups, and teachers are investing in AI. Okay, so companies like Google, Amazon, Microsoft, all of these companies have heavily invested in artificial intelligence because they believe that AI is the future. So AI is rapidly growing both as a field of study and also as an economy. So actually this is the right time for you to understand what is AI and how it's work. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel to never miss out on such sessions.